Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Continental. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control, electronic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, ambient lighting, traction control. Inside you'll find rear view camera, airbags, front knee, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function,